Salam. Today, we will be studying Chapter 2, 2.5, Class 11 Statistics, according to PTB syllabus. Let's start with cumulative frequency distribution. A cumulative frequency distribution is a table that displays class intervals or the corresponding frequencies. It is obtained by adding frequencies of all the preceding frequencies included in a class. It is denoted as small c.f. Next is cumulative relative frequency. The cumulative relative frequency is the proportion of cumulative frequency and is obtained by dividing cumulative frequency by total frequency. It is denoted as c.r.f. Note: if we want to compare two or more distributions, we compute relative cumulative frequencies or percentage cumulative frequencies because it is comparable. Let's look at an example. Suppose we surveyed 20 students about how many books they read in a month in the form of a class interval and frequencies in a table. We need to find the cumulative frequency and cumulative relative frequency. In cumulative, we need to add to the previous frequency until all the frequencies are added at the end, which will look something like this. For cumulative relative frequency, we just need to divide the cumulative frequencies by the total frequency, which is 20. And tada! The cumulative frequency distribution table is ready. Don't forget to subscribe.